That's what we needed, the small one. Yes, you can. See, it's ready. Keep going. Good.
Hello everyone, this is Inna with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Again, I have my friend, my guest, and another Mexican recipe for you. It's a drink. It's cooler outside and it's time for the warm drinks. This is, I feel like it's very comfort food, right?
Yeah.
Drink, it suits you. And if you feel like under the weather, this will be perfect drink for you. So what do we need for this drink? And what's the name? Traditional.
This is called Atole.
Atole. I never can pronounce it.
Atole. So it's a very traditional Mexican drink, and we drink it all the time, like for
Even when
breakfast. Yeah,
for breakfast.
Yes, this is very very filling. So for people that work, like in construction, that's their main.
So it has lots of calories.
Calories.
Cashew milk.
Yes, anything you want.
Yeah, any milk of your choice. Yes. And another ingredient,
The
key ingredients. This is a blue cornmeal. And if you don't know where to get, make yourself, like we did. And this little meal helps us to, actually I grind this almost daily. I use in this machine to grind my grains or nuts and seeds.
4 cups of milk. We're going to be using about a quarter
Quarter
of a pound. And
quarter a pound, so about 120 grams of this is raw canned sugar.
And it's called panela.
It's like brown sugar but made from not beets, but it's a cane
real
sugar.
cane sugar.
Real cane sugar. And the spices we are using traditional spice. It's a
Mexican
cinnamon.
And it comes all the way from Mexico.
Oh my gosh, true Mexican.
It came in my suitcase.
And cloves, right?
And cloves, yes.
That's all.
That's all
Very
we
simple. 4 ingredients: sugar, spices, milk, and corn.
So you want to use a half just to
Yeah.
make it very. And we're gonna get hot.
And 1 teaspoon of cloves.
Yeah.
On a low heat, we're going to simmer everything, right?
Yes, slowly. It smells good.
Almost smell like molasses. And I guess depends how sweet you want. You can add less or more, right? We added, I think it's quite a lot. We'll see. And for the cornmeal, we need water and corn, right?
Yes.
1-to-1 ratio.
1 to 1. Yes. And you mix it. And you can have to whisk and whisk and whisk so they don't get lumpy.
Does smell very autumn.
Yes. More. Oh, look at that. Oh, perfect.
Don't make mess. Don't drink.
Yeah, it's hot like a thicker hot chocolate.
And the best part of the video to try. It smells so like autumn. It smells.
Oh, you know.
I hope you can smell this, and I hope it tastes good too. Yes. It actually reminds me something what my mom used to make, mama lega with prunes. It tastes very similar. It reminds me home actually. It tastes so yummy, so delicious. I hope I encourage you to make some traditional drink. It's so much better than hot chocolate from my pockets. Make for your children. It's very nutrition, very, very good for you. And if you prefer some nut milk instead or coconut milk instead of regular cow milk, use it. Do it. It's delicious. It's good for you. And I hope you make this drink and see you next time. Bye. For Johnny, these ice cubes is for Thomas.
So you get just push it.
Push,
Yeah.
yeah.
The top. Don't do it.